All right, well, apparently there's a woodpecker stuck in the exhaust. It's not what the truck came in for, but we're gonna see if we can get him out.
I really don't want to use power tools because I can imagine how loud it would be in there with it. You want to know something? I don't think I've ever seen a woodpecker in person. So we're just assuming it's a woodpecker. Hopefully it's not like a wild mongoose or something. You just get attacked. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to hit it a little bit. There goes the shot phone again. Any clamps and go, buddy. Come on, buddy. Get out. He's scared. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Come on. Go. He goes back in the other pipe. There he is. That bird didn't even say thank you. Just bounced. All right, well, we got him out. No parts broke, so that's a plus. And, well, didn't even say thank you and it flew away, so.